Hey, today I have something exciting for you. I would like to share with you that, right? So imagine, imagine the waste which you are generating at your home or at your offices can power your house, can power your industries, and can give you a lot of energy, right? And you need not to buy the petrol or diesel to run your vehicles also. Yes, this is our future. That's why I'm saying fuel your future with biogas and biohydrogen. Friends, I am coming up with this 10 days workshop. 10 days workshop on biohydrogen and biogas. So, are you excited to know about it? Just give me 2 minutes. I will share you each and every detail about this. Be with me till the end of this video, and definitely you will get a way if you are someone who is a student or a professional and wanted to know how you are passionate about the environment, how you are passionate about the biogas, biohydrogen, you can monetize it, how you can monetize it, how you can work in that area. So if you are searching for that, be with me with this video till the end and you will get answer for all those things. Right? Friends, you guess right. I am talking about sustainability. I am talking about the renewable energy sources like biogas and biohydrogen. We have planned 10 days workshop for you from 13th of July to 22nd of July, wherein we will be giving you each and every details how biogas and biohydrogen is produced, what are the substrates for that, how this waste can be converted. We are not only talking about the gas alternative source of energy, but how this waste can be utilized to convert it into this kind of power. So that we are going to discuss, and the experts which will be teaching this, those are actually field experts who are already running these organizations in relation with the biogas and biohydrogen. Biogas and biohydrogen is future, my friends. All the future energy will be derived from biogas and biohydrogen. So how it will happen, we will unfold these into this program of 10 days program. This will be the mode of the program will be online every day in the night, 8 to 9:30 p.m. we will have a session. But this is not the only thing. We are giving a complete 1-day workshop on how to make your own biogas. This program will be with actual demonstration of preparation of biogas model. Right? Second, this is not the end. Second, we are having actual visit to the biogas industry, and we are going to do all those things within these 10 days. How is the schedule, everything I had mentioned into the brochure, I had mentioned into the link. Just click below link and you will get everything. Register for this program, limited seats are there, and this is not anything which I had made in keeping in the mind academic resources. No, this is actual program which will be beneficial for students as well as professionals. Students in a way, because this is a certificate program, you will be getting a certificate and those things which you need for your academic records. But at the same time, the professionals can get niche, professional can get information, professional can get knowledge about how these projects run. We'll be having actual live demonstration also, so that will be very really helpful. So come and join for this program and click the link below. Share this with your colleagues, with your friends who wish to work in the sector of this environment, biogas and bioenergy. Right? Thank you so much, friend. See you in the program.